So Titiksha, this is a very good initiative, being that they are giving opportunity to the autistic children. That's really very good and inspirational. I'm Aditi. So Titiksha is very close to my heart, as it being Adhan was selected as one of the artists. They have given chance to all the autistic children to feature their art.
So Tatiksha is now doing a silent auction.
And I think it's a great idea. People prefer sitting in their homes and doing online everything.
So silent auction is something which in which you can reach out globally also.
How do you think Adnan has evolved in the last 4 years that he's been with Tatiksha? Has Tatiksha helped in any way?
Yes. So what I feel, Adhan has grown a lot. He has evolved. So when he started with, he had done a simple landscape painting. Then again, when he was offered, then he did some spiritual, divine Ganesha painting and all. So Titiksha, this is a very good initiative, being that they are giving opportunity to the autistic children. That's really very good and inspirational. So I would thank Preeti Trehan and Vishal Trehan also for giving this opportunity and continuing it and doing this Titiksha annually.
How do you think art has helped him? Rose, I remember him as an 11-year-old when Tiny Tot.
Yes.
He's really grown tall. So how do you think it has helped him over the years?
Temperamentally, it has helped him. It has calmed him. And when he sits with his art teacher, he is sitting quietly for next 2 hours, 3 hours. He doesn't make a noise. He doesn't jump around. Normally, he's jumping all the time and he's hyper. He looks forward to the teacher to come. Art is an expression for them to take out what they can't say. They want to say things, but we can't understand what they want to say. So through art, they depict that.